Good morning, everybody, and this is your Euro USD setups for today. So really strong break here, and I think it is safe to say that this flag structure has broken. What I would be expecting now is some kind of a pullback onto some structure to allow us to get in on this trade. So if we just have a look at this on the weekly, you're going to see move up. Here's our move up, pullback, second move up. So this is what we are waiting for. We're waiting for that. So there is our move, and if you look to the left, you'll see what it lines up with. So I'm just going to adjust this onto this weekly high first, and then we're going to do another level there. So that is basically what we're looking for. We're looking for a break through these moving averages. Now, dropping down to the 8 hour, we'll let's get rid of that. We need to wait for the pullback, okay? So we've got two upside targets. We need to look for the pullback. We need to look for structure. And basically, at the moment, we have cleared this area here, so that makes a lot of sense. Let's just drop down to 3 hour while you hit the like button, and we should see a couple of levels here. So there is another one, and there's one in between. I just want to put this third one in here. Right, so levels that we have here on the 3 hour are 108953, 108792, and then 108533. Look how far we are from the moving averages. We're only getting the crossover now. So I'm going to put another level in here, because that in an ideal world would be this pullback that I'd be looking for, 108282. Probability of that happening is not very high. So massive spike into a flag. So we're definitely going to have some kind of a pullback. You can see it on the oscillators. We have to come back to the moving averages as well. So I'd be very cautious of these first two levels. And I'm going to get the 15 minutes here, because that is the one we want to pay attention to. So yeah, so if we do defend 108953, there is an opportunity there. But I would like to see a bit of a deeper pullback. So ideally, we're looking at something in this area here, 108533. Perfect world would be 108282. So we can get a pullback down into these two areas here. That would be ideal for a move to the upside. Nevertheless, it doesn't necessarily mean that this is going to fall. So we could just defend one of these two areas here. So my advice this morning is quite simple. Look at 108953 and look for 108792. Get a pullback onto that, build a base, stop just below that area. As soon as you get the price action, you're looking to target 1010366. Hope that helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.